Good morning, one and all. This is Neeraja of 6th standard in our Holy World School. Today I am going to tell on your topic. My topic name is the nervous system. The nervous system controls our body parts such as the brain, nerves and the brain, nerves and spinal cord from the nervous system. The brain controls. The brain is inside the skull. It controls body movements. The brain has mainly three parts. They are cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla oblongata or the brainstem. Cerebrum. It is the largest part of our brain. It helps us to control our sense organs. Cerebellum. It is straightly below the cerebrum. It mainly controls our muscles. Brainstem. The brainstem lies beneath the cerebellum. It connects the brain to the nervous system. It controls the heartbeat and the breath. Nerves. A nerve carries messages to the brain and other parts of our body. Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. First we discuss about eyes. We can see through our surroundings through eyes. The eyes are spherical in shape. The eyes are spherical in shape through the skull. The eyelids and eyelashes protects our eyes from dust and the harm particles. Nose. The nose helps us to breathe in and out. Each nose have 2 openings. They are called nostrils. The nostrils have a cavity. The cavity is called nostril cavity. Ears. We can hear through our ears. There are 3 main parts of ears: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. The visible part of the ear is called outer ear. It receives sounds. Thus, the vibration passes through the middle ear, which is go to inner ear, and then transfers the inner ear to nerves, and it reaches the messages to our brain. The tongue. The tongue helps us to taste such as sour, sweet, salty and hot. The Tongue has sensitive buds which tells the taste. The skin. The skin is the outermost layer of our body. It helps us to feel. Such as it helps us to feel touch and it helps us to feel touch such as hot, cold, pressure, pain, and so on. Thank you for giving this nice opportunity. Thank you, one and all.